Okay, we're gonna see if I can get this video. Granted, loading is maybe a little, tedious or but once you do get it loaded, this is what makes it all worth it here. You gotta get a good enough amount for you to pull, and you can fudge kind of on the tip, but back it up. And voila. And you just as you can tell, this is a long strand. Normally what I used to do is cut the strands down smaller because I was doing it with a kitchen knife that I would sharpen, and it was hard for me to do long strands. You know, it was easier to do in shorter pieces, but boy, I'm gonna tell you, it felt like never-ending pieces. And obviously with longer strands, well, I can just pump it out a lot easier. Pump, pump. Okay, and there you go.